When it comes to the appearance, safety, and functionality of your home or business, one often overlooked aspect is the door. Doors serve as the first line of defense against weather elements, intruders, and provide privacy. Over time, however, they can wear out or become outdated, affecting the security, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of your property. In such cases, professional door replacement services in Houston can make a huge difference. Here are 5 key benefits of hiring experts to replace your doors. Enhanced security for your home or business. The security of your home or business is always a top priority. Worn out or poorly installed doors can be a weak point, making it easier for intruders to gain access. Professional door replacement services ensure that your new door is not only made from high-quality materials but is also properly installed to prevent any vulnerabilities. Whether you are replacing a front door, back door, or even commercial-grade entry doors, professionals will ensure that the door is fitted with the appropriate locks, hardware, and reinforcements to deter break-ins and keep your property safe. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of replacing an old door is improving your home's or business's energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those with gaps, cracks, or outdated materials, can allow drafts, cold air, and heat to enter your space, making your HVAC system work harder. This not only increases your energy bills but also makes your indoor environment uncomfortable. By opting for professional door replacement services, you can select energy-efficient doors that are insulated and properly sealed. These new doors will keep the indoor temperature stable, lower your energy consumption, and reduce utility costs. Increased curb appeal and property value. Your front door is the first thing people notice when they approach your home or business. A well-maintained, attractive door can instantly boost curb appeal, while a worn, outdated one can detract from the overall appearance of your property. Professional door replacement services can help you select a door that complements your home's architectural style and enhances its visual appeal. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a modern glass design, or a sleek metal entryway, expert installers will ensure the door is installed properly for maximum visual impact. An aesthetically pleasing, well-maintained door not only enhances the look of your property but also increases its market value, which is essential if you're considering selling in the future. Better functionality and durability. An old door may not open and close as smoothly as it once did. It might stick, be difficult to lock, or show signs of wear such as warping or peeling. Professional door replacement ensures you receive a door that functions properly, providing ease of use and reliability. Additionally, the materials and craftsmanship of professionally installed doors are designed to withstand the elements, resist wear and tear, and last for many years. Whether you need a door to withstand Houston's hot summers or heavy rain, a professional can recommend a durable material suited for the local climate, ensuring your door remains functional and looking great for years to come. Time and cost saving. Replacing a door may seem like a simple task, but the process involves more than just removing the old door and installing a new one. Proper door replacement requires measuring, selecting the right materials, and ensuring that the installation is done correctly. Hiring professionals for the job not only guarantees a high-quality result but also saves you time and effort. DIY door replacements often lead to mistakes or frustration, especially when dealing with custom-sized or heavy doors. Additionally, poor installation could result in more frequent repairs and premature wear. By choosing a professional service, you'll avoid these pitfalls and save money in the long run. Conclusion: investing in professional door replacement services in Houston offers numerous advantages, from enhanced security to increased energy efficiency and curb appeal. By working with experts, you can ensure that your new door will be properly installed, durable, and customized to suit your needs. Whether you're looking to improve your home's aesthetics, increase energy savings, or upgrade security, professional door replacement services provide a valuable solution. Don't wait until your door becomes a problem. Reach out to a trusted Houston door replacement specialist today to enhance your property's appearance, functionality, and safety.